Good morning. We're going to work on day 87. Yay, day 87. Don't know what I'm going to do yet, but we'll figure it out. As you know, this 100-day project is an ongoing thing that happens every year. It's an international project. You commit to creating something every day for 100 days. I committed to making these little collages, and so far it's been going okay. It's getting harder to do, but that's alright. There are times when things get harder to do, so that's why we commit to doing it. The biggest thing about my project was, I guess the rule of my project was to do this little collage every day, but to also use one of these images out of this little book. It's called F-Stop. It's something I got somewhere along the line, either at the thrift store or the or at the library book sale. I'm not sure which. And I've used one every day. Of course, a lot of pages have two, like that one. And I've used one every day, and still I have a lot more left. So that is a fun thing. Anyways, guys, I'm going to get busy here and see what I can come up with this collage today. And I'll talk to you when I come back. Well, guys, that's day 87. It's getting very, very, very close to the end. I really loved this picture of the sailboat, and it was big, so I wasn't sure exactly what I was going to do with it, but I like how it is the background in this one, so I'm pretty happy with this. I'm not always happy with them, but I kind of like it. And I've been trying to use up all these little pieces of paper that are laying around on my desk, so they're cut-offs from different projects, so you know, that's always a good thing to have. Anyways, it's time to read a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity book and go on and see if we can accomplish something else today. The heart has mountains and valleys, just as the world has. Don't be afraid to explore both, the highs and the lows, in both your heart and the world. Oh, that's a really nice one. I hope you all have a great day. Have fun. Go make some art. Bye-bye.